Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. This new tutorial will be named Full Sales and Marketing Automation. How to make $15,000 amount with n8n. So in this tutorial we'll build a full sales and marketing automation system using n8n. The workflows will cover the entire funnel, capture lead automatically, add them into a CRM pipeline, send them personalized email sequences, trigger follow-up via Slack notification, log performance in Google Sheet for the analytics. This type of automation can easily be packaged as a high-ticket service for an agency or SaaS founders generating $15,000 amount or more. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the webhook node. Let's open it. The method will be get, the path capture lead. This is the endpoint for forms or ads. For example, the landing page sign up. This collects name, email, company, and source. After that, we'll store the lead into the CRM, that is the HubSpot node, with the operation create or update. If the lead already exists, we'll update the details. After that, we have the set node that will add the metadata, the lead source, the campaign ID, the qualification score. Okay. After that, you have the Google Sheet node that you log all lead data into a Google Sheet for reportings. You see leads from A to F. Okay, after that you have a email node or send email node that will send a personalized email, welcome email immediately after the sign up. So you have from email salesyourdomain.com to email JSON email. I will put as expression subject welcome to our program, and on the text you have this: hi JSON name, thank you for your signing up, here's your free resource to get started, the team. Okay, let's continue. After that we have a wait node that adds spacing between emails for nurturing sequences. This is on sequence. In the wait unit you choose hours. Okay, so this wait 2 days. Then we have another email node, another send email node. Okay, that will send a second email offering case studies, free resources. Again, from email your sales, email JSON email, subject here's how others succeed. On the text, hi JSON name, here are some case studies of clients who grew with us. Are you ready to join them and the team? After that, we will send all of this to the Slack notified sales team to notify team in sales channel when a lead replies or show interest. So you have you see the channel sales, the text, new lead engage, JSON name and email. This is the people who show interest and replies. And finally, we'll have the Google Sheet node where we'll update the sheet with the lead status. So the lead status, you see the funnel, the range that is funnel from A to D, for example. But in the sheet we lead the lead status is new engage, qualified or customer. That was all for today guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.